Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. Today I'm going to be cutting my shift rod. So for those of you who saw my previous video, you know that I got an aftermarket knob, which is this one. I said on the video that it was really heavy. It was advertised as 1 pound, but I'm pretty sure it weighs more than that. And at first I liked it, but I realized that if the knob is too heavy, your shifts will actually feel less precise because there's so much weight at the top of the shifter, so it'll have a hard time kind of centering itself back. So I went back to the stock knob, and I also got a new shift boot. It's like a suede with blue stitching. I got the blue stitching because you know, blue is a signature color for vegans. So anyways, I got a different shift knob, which is this one. The one on the left is the new one, the one on the right is the old one. It looks pretty much the same, but this one is made of aluminum, so it's way lighter. So today I'm gonna put this on again, but before I do that, I still have the same problem as last time, which is that the shift boot is too short. So when I shift to third or first or fifth, the housing will kind of pop out. And I know that cutting the rod is a permanent thing, and it actually doesn't reduce the shift length like a real short shifter, but I still want to finish up this area and make it look nice. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Alright, so I cut off about 1 inch, and that's what it looks like. I think I want it a little bit shorter, but definitely now when you shift, the shift boot doesn't come off. So that's a big plus, but I'm gonna make it a little shorter. Alright, so I cut off, this is pretty much about 2 inches, and this is what it looks like. I like it a lot better. I think I'm gonna keep this for now. I know it's all in my head, but it does feel better to shift. So I'm very happy how this turned out. I know it's a different knob than what I first measured, but from the console to the knob is about a little over 6 inches. Yeah, and all it took was a saw that has like smaller teeth. I first tried it with the bigger one like this. I couldn't get a good cut going, so I would recommend a smaller one. So yeah, I know this is probably gonna piss off the purists, but I figured it is semi-permanent because you can always get a new like a real short shifter from Genuine Saab if I really wanted to. But this is what I just wanted to finish up the look of the center shifter area. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.